Hansbury reporting with headline news from JAMMIWOOD studio. In our news tonight, the country will be under 72 hours lockdown due to the rapid increase in COVID-19 cases. This will take effect on Sunday, August 22nd through to Tuesday, August 24th. Now, in other news, the famous actor and singer Bill Kelly has been sentenced to 25 years for raping, drugging women, and peeing on a minor. The famous actor and singer is denying all charges and is pleading to the public to fight for his innocence. Bill Kelly is now 30 years of age, and if served full time, he will be released at age 55. Now, in concluding our news tonight, the Maroons and their chief has been in a standoff with members of the JCF for trespassing on their land. Now that concludes our news for tonight. Once again, I am Deja Hansbury. Thank you for watching.
Yo, you never said something. Hey, alright.
Walk up.
So this is the priest, right? The junkie guard go there so. So if the junkie one get some weed, you understand? We just have an influencer. If you look a lighted girl, she can't smoke weed. Anytime she burn weed, she turn idiot. Because you see them make she take a piece of weed and she start move a certain way. So one can get a good piece of kush. And when him burn, you know, we can't chat him, we want to be a joke with him, he can keep on do it easily. We go find yourself, we go find yourself. Anytime you see certain things are going on, and you see junkie one can the key come, everybody move to this exit here. So, for a certain part of the break now, when the slim one has smoke, the next one go and drink. Yeah, and then we get wet. When they're on the run now, we go meet up at ease.
Alright.
You know what I mean? Because our vision is to go to Maroon Town, you know what I mean? And we can travel from one Maroon Town in St. James, go straight to Portland, Maroon Town.
You reach a Maroon Town, everything.
Yeah man, right up in the hill, they cannot find us up in Maroon land, right? Then we catch you in the city.
That's true man, so we not go on no road, you understand?
No road.
That's why I touch the bush.
Bush to bush, from bush to bush, bush to bush, bush to bush. But we have to left out at this town here first, before we can reach to the first bush.
One idea, so man.
No, sir, man, we have to boss.
Man, boy, get up, man. Split up, man. Get up, man, say, man. Split up, man. Broke up this, man. Broke up, go one side, man, and find something to do, man. You know, hear myself to split up. Alright, man, I said to split up, sir. Yo.
I want to can't tap man mouth, you know. I was done there jail already, you know. I saw them prison, you know. So you can't talk, you know. I saw them police boy at a policeman at stand, man. Why up them up? Hey, you don't even know what you do.
Good evening. Welcome to JAMMIWOOD News. This is Deja Hansbury. Tonight we will be doing an exclusive interview with the famous actor and singer Bill Kelly.
Yeah, because now you're good enough in a cellar. Where's it now?
Alright, so this is Deja Hansbury from JAMMIWOOD News. Yes, sir. So what is it like? My first question to you, what is it like where you are now?
Woman there, I know it's not a nice place, you know. You know what I mean? Maybe we talk about it, but I want to experience it, really see it, you know what I mean? So, then I want a place with dark, and I see no light, you know what I mean? And I just do a beer wall, surround me, close up, you know what I mean? Sit down on bunk bed. Then give me a room for myself because they know, say, you know what I mean? 3 months like as a payment to pay feet after the system work, you know what I mean?
Okay. And how are you affected being arrested right now?
Bill Kelly, this can't really affect me, you know. But that's the one place that, and the fans them more than me because majority of stay by myself still. You know what I mean? But it's you know, justify how them I deal with I and I, you know, for nothing at all. You know what I mean? So, but it not break my spirit though. Every day we get up and we chant 2 psalms, you know what I mean? I'm write 2 movie, you know what I mean? I'm write 2 song too, you know what I mean? So I keep it strong, you know what I mean? So my music and everything pile up in there, you know what I mean? Before them get one of them, burn up all of them in there, you know what I mean?
So next question, why do you think they want to lock you down for something that you're not guilty of?
Oh, the reason why they want to get me out, you know, because them have them rich friend. But when a talented like me, but they want them to run the music field and they want them to run the movie field. You know what I mean? So they might try to get me off of the page. You know what I mean? They say my influence too strong. You know what I mean? You might help the youth them, educate them and certain secret in my eye. We burn a fire for the secret them. And so what them do now, some female around me, then they might use as the pawn. You know what I mean? You know what I mean? So a bag of things are going to be a lie and rumor. You know what I mean?
All right. So have you done anything to a female or a minor in the past that you may regret now?
No, I've never done nothing where I regret because I don't do things to regret. You know what I mean? So I try helping some females out. I have no regret. And those are the ones that try to help the same on them, you know, take money from people just to frame me. You know what I mean? Even the one they say, my piss pan, you know what I mean? I look in his head up under the bed. When my crab under the bed, I look up in his head pan the piss pan. Piss fish up on him and me. You know what I mean? And so it's a lie, but a lie and rumors, you know what I mean? And all the one them who I have sexual business with, you know what I mean? It was forced themselves upon me because of my talent, you know what I mean? And I was just helping them, you know what I mean? But sometimes man is weak to flesh because they look good and they come into your bed in the night and you're asleep and take out your. I don't think you can say this on the program, so I won't say what they take out and what they do with it. But no, they make it look like I take something from them. They take something from me. What about the one that rape I? They rape I because they take things without me giving them.
Okay, so Bill Kelly, you mentioned that you were raped. Have you made any reports regarding the situation before?
I want you to understand. I'm in my bed, sleep, and through them sleeping and have access to my room. They come in my room without my consent and come in my bed naked and they them born without my consent and they climb on it and it have a mind of its own. So by the time I wake up, it in there already. So it's rape. But I didn't stop though. It was rape, but I agree with it after the rape start because I like it. You know what I mean? So it's not, and I didn't go and complain about it. So I guess my word don't mean nothing now.
Okay, I understand. But then we don't believe that it would mean anything because you mentioned that it's something that you enjoy, right? So we wouldn't consider that as a rape.
But
so
what?
I understand you. I fully get what you're saying, but since you now said that, oh, they raped you, we wouldn't say that yet.
All right. So what I'm trying to say to you now, though, if I'm so rich till I have money that I want people to take my money, so my time, and they take the money without my consent, what would it be? Would it be stealing? Would it be same steal? It's same rape. It's rape, right? So, but I'm not in the legal battle and talking about that still. I know that I'm innocent and I know that I'm going to be free. So I'm in good spirit. All I do at the time is exercise and just try to do a meditation and write some song and write some movie. So I'll be free. You know what I mean? When I go to my next court date, if they give me the appeal, I know I'll be free because the system is out to get me. You know what I mean? But they can't get me. You know what I mean? And they do worse than me. They do worse things than me. They kill millions of people. I kill nobody. I make love to people. You know what I mean? I'm a lover. You know what I mean?
Okay. Now, my final question to you, Mr. Bill Kelly, what would you like to say to your fans out there now that you're being arrested?
Yeah, to be famous, always remember that there'll be a target on your back. You know what I mean? A lot of people come around you and smile with you. They don't mean you good. You know what I mean? Because one of the particular young girl, her mother brought her to me. and she was 21, over the age of consent, and she's one of them that said I rape her, and her mother brought her to me and begged me please to make she stay where I am, so I could give her a bus in the movie world, and I could take her to the studio and sing some song. You know what I mean? So they want opportunity, and I gave them opportunity, but now they're turning their back on me, say I was abusive and I was this and I was that. In the bedroom, when she sexually assaulted me and we start doing things, I am that type of person that deal with sex aggressively. So it's just my nature of being, you know, a lion. And so I don't know wrong, because she loved it and she come to do that a lot. So how come now you're saying I rape? You know what I mean? It's a sellout. And when she called me, she cried to me and said, they pay her to say this, they pay her to say that. Nobody asked tell anyone at the phone company, nobody want to give that record back when she was confessing and telling me, but no, it's my word against them. You know what I mean? But Jana sleep.
Okay, I totally understand, and it was a pleasure speaking with you today, Bill Kelly. I really appreciate you taking your time out to do this interview with me. All right?
Yeah. So what you do? Go and subscribe to my channel and watch my new movie. It's coming out. You know what I mean? Lockdown with the bartenders.
All right, so there you have it. We had a one-on-one interview with the famous actor and singer, Mr. Bill Kelly. As you heard, he mentioned that he is not guilty, so let's see how this goes.
Yo, I go and Bill.
Yeah, man, I and I there go and Bill, you know. You know what I mean? Because I can't well have good meditation in us. I had to write one song, I had to think about it, one movie for my day. So what are you there for though? Because I see you on the place all the while, a full land. Where are you there for?
Wife tell the truth, Bill. You know, I don't know what I'm there for. Then just lock me up and give me some time and just I go and do it. See, make a free food and thing. I go and do it.
So what do I talk about me say on the road and okay? You just come a prisoner that means say most of you about me in I shit before you come here. What do I say about me?
You are going, Bill. Yeah, artist thing on TV. You know? Yeah, man, as I turn on the TV, Bill Kelly, every channel. You see me? Yeah, man.
But they have tried make one of the biggest TV stations in Jamaica and one of the big radio stations. And this is how they try to take her down. I look at that, they run her from when. You know what I mean? And I actually say she can get him. Mother get things, everybody get things. You know what I mean? And everybody alright. And it does have me up about for rise after I'm doing so much hard work for the country. I try to build it. This is a place that they build you and they break you. Yeah man, right now, I'm a general there. Him is an official bank robber and him is an escape artist. Yeah man, this is a man.
So right now, I'm chewing a bill. I understand. They try to fear me say I broke a bank, you know. But I broke the bank. But this is a place, yeah. A simple place, so I get out of 1, 2, 3, easy thing.
So yo, Bill, like I'm fresh in here. And I can go and power with no crew.
It's not a crew, man. It's not a crew. We just there go and build and I figure out things, you know what I mean? So, when the time is right, the time is right. But right now, we're there with a meditation. You see it? You hear me I say now? Everything on, you know, man. Everything on for tomorrow. Yeah, man. I want to sleep. There's some junkie police and some sleepy police there. So tomorrow, we'll get where? You know, man, broad daylight. No, you know, so, yo, today. Like everything for today. Because the plan is that tomorrow look like it's not going to work. Today. No matter who did it. Tomorrow, today we are doing it. Today. Everything line up. Yo, no, come on, go.
Squally! I want to Squally!
Where phone let me see her talk on the quiet.
I'm talk on general, I talk about that.
Let me see with that phone, man. The iPhone and the
no, look at yours. Look here. Look here, that is some way on phone, daddy.
I want to Squally. You don't need no help.
Go on sleep, you know when I wake up before. Go on sleep.
It's like the boy them make phone call yes, man. Like boy, everything good, man. Forward.
want to squaddy?
Tell yourself to stop watch me and watch the prisoner them, you know. You idiot, man. Yo, don't watch me, man. Go back around there so go do what you do, my youth. You have to follow me, man.
Yeah, tell me say you're leader, you're not setting no example.
Go around, you go watch the man them, no, man.
You're a leader and you're not setting no example for we.
Just go around there, man. Yeah, where you want me to do? Just go around there, you can't follow me. You can't follow me.
I want for me way too. To where we are the same thing, I want for me too. Alright? Alright. What go on, man?
I tell you, say I want a good piece of kush you get there.
Hey, I tell you, man, I want a sweet piece of weed. I love it good, you know?
Yo, I suppose I tell you something. Right now, I know we should have more right there. I don't like it to lend me key. I get key, man.
Yeah, man. Good man.
Yeah, man. So all I don't want to do now go and puff out the rest. You understand me? Until me forward. See?
Can think coming on, man?
Yeah, man, I go for it. If squad come, tell us we just around this.
Hey, can but before you coming?
Yeah, man.
Yo, get a buckle of rum too, man.
Yeah, man, that's the panelist.
Yo, for ball play.
You know, saying they run so do.
You know the ball play, young yo.
No, I don't see him.
Yo, Bill Kelly, me hear son not plan to escape, you know.
I will tell us so. Nothing like that, man. Just keep him on chat. You know what I mean? Nothing like that. Just go and build. You know what I mean? Just go and build.
Yo, I don't think it's a good idea, you know. Because we're there, we get 3 meals a day, and we not have to do nothing. So I don't think it's a good idea.
No girl not there, so I can't tell you, say, you know, if you want worry about your belly, maybe that make you come here. If you have something where you eat then, you know what I mean? So I don't know. But when I say, just keep him on shed. No matter what you see, not see. You know what I mean? Yo, brother, what you doing?
I'm ready right now, you know.
I'll cut you, you know.
No, it's been no long.
Come on.
Where you do? Where man them there?
Which man there?
Where prisoner them there?
Well, listen, man. Me send the man them go and get some weed, man. 1 pound of weed and some rum.
What? We lose the what now? Come on, you know. Come on. Yes.
Yeah, man, here I am now, yo. I squad send me for something, yo.
Who squad if you send a fee? You idiot. Stop it like, I squad it, don't come out and carry now. Can you get all iron on me? How do you?
Long time, boy, I'm here. Yeah, man. This person, boy.
Squaddy! You make your man get to my youth and the next one get to it. You have to go over so you can catch them back in over the Gulf Coast way, you know. Come on, man.
Alright.
Hi, I'm Deja Hansberry with breaking news reporting from JAMMIWOOD Studio. The famous actor and singer Bill Kelly, along with two other men, namely Robert Brooks, also known as Brown Man, and Jonathan Thomas, also known as Color, have escaped from lockup and is now on the run. Brown Man has been charged for robbing a bank. Color has been charged for murder. Bill Kelly has been charged for raping, drugging women, and peeing on a minor. A manhunt is now on. If anyone see or hear of the whereabouts of these men, you are asked to contact the nearest police station.
You know, so I feel that the boy Banks said that we up. Yeah, because remember, so we plan, you know. We plan, say, yo, we go get where, right?
Yeah.
And you say they do what? They don't plan to fast.
Like, I didn't know what's happening.
Where?
Over there, so.
Oh.
You go so, and me run so, and we'll back them up.
No, man, you run go so. I can't run go so far, man.
What are you talking about? Remember that you are the squaddy and I'm the general, you know.
So net what we I same thing, to I same thing. So you run go so.
Go over
and
the
me
hill,
go so.
over the hill, and me go so, and the two we catch them up.
Can't go so far, bro.
Come, working.
Then get away.
Yo, we have to go catch them back, you know. How we make them get away, you know.
I saw they go.
A problem this, you know. You work out, you work out, where you do?
I know for me fault.
Look like I ran where I go. Go turn back and run, go down somewhere. Come in.
I'm hungry, bad. You not hungry?
I really want no macaroni and cheese still.
Not put on what you want.
You know. But about something else, man.
Come straight up, Mr. Wilson.
Right, here we go.
You want me to do your one night, mate?
Babes,
Yes, sir.
my whole are fresh right now.
Okay.
But I'm gonna have the macaroni and cheese, man.
I ain't gonna do that.
Turn down your stove.
I'm not burn it, man.
My whole are fresh. Super.
Ah.
You know me, right? Famous. Different from that though. Here we're going now. Some Babylon and look for me. See it? Just get it from prison. 10 years me there though. For life. But you may say now. Hungry enough because I'm on me around. Yeah, so you have money. Don't worry about money. Where have them I can't eat right now?
Mac and cheese.
Yo, I'm not eat that. Where is that I can't
I
eat?
made you some porridge. Want porridge?
Give me look like porridge.
Alright.
Yeah man, when you work you have money. You see the plastic here, I'm going to come buy Remy. Right? Don't worry yourself. Look at you see policeman out there, look out there. Our policeman, I told him already now.
We not see them.
But it's when they come, they can't come and do that as search warrant.
Alright.
So if I see them I come and go and tap them just so.
I'll send for the search warrant.
You're more there if you look a while, till listen now, look for me and talk to you. People up in line, they have some heavy link with all of the money. One go to the hills, go build, they have a cabin over there, I will live there forever and ever. But me have to get there. So if I don't survive it, you won't get your money. So your job is. How will I about you, my babe?
My boyfriend.
Alright. Nothing him, nothing else in there.
Yo! Me looking for a brown youth. You're a criminal. You see him?
Me somebody abuse me a
Take
bit.
you see him.
Me not see nobody abuse me a bit.
You see him or you don't see him?
Me not see.
Yo, me I look to my rasta to you know. You don't see him.
Me not see nobody.
Don't come in.
How can I help you?
What they in there?
Where who they?
Where in there?
Where who
Where boy
they?
they in there?
Which boy?
You don't see two where don't come outside.
Me not see nobody run go nowhere. Me there start
Watch
cook
it,
from
watch
man.
it.
You can't come in here. You have
Where-
search warrant.
What do you mean by we
You
can't
have
come
to
in?
have
Watch
search
it,
warrant. No, me serious. You have search
Alright, this
warrant.
suits me face again.
Go back and get your search warrant and then
So
you come
me
back
face
and
again.
search.
Alright.
Alright.
Yeah, Sarge. You don't say me just come on one house a while ago and them a tell me say me need search warrant to come in. To be a... What me fi do? Alright. Yeah, man.
Oi. Where did I yard?
Hey, me know why you come to say nothing to me to you, man.
Me need to make a report down a station because you see you come invade my privacy. You see me have my shower, my morning shower, you come invade my privacy.
You say
Me
that-
look like thief to you.
You say that woman is going to chat about search warrant. You say if I don't know one thing.
Come out of me yard.
Shoot
Come
off
out.
it.
Come out of me yard.
Hey.
Shoot off for pengeling.
Hey.
Or shoot off pengeling. Come out of me yard.
How are you man there?
Me say, Come let me go get some dog in this place, you know. This little maga police woman see me a bed and running for me, invade my privacy. Me almost drop and broke my neck.
Man. Oh, God. You forget them pit bull dog they fit true. But go put on some clothes. Why go put on some clothes?
How you look about?
Macaroni and cheese and porridge there too.
No, that. I look about something.
Then you want to look about where you want to look about then?
Well, man, you say no want no food?
No, you say no want no food.
I must serious so. You go fix up some. Send him out, making hurry up and make him get him ready to go. How am I go work? How am I go?
I'm going to go up on the road.
As hurry up and push him out on the road, make him go and I'm go then. We come in a bedroom, perhaps no transition to go, but I'll tell you who go link and whatever transition may be. You ready? Lock the door, lock the door, yeah.
How where they go?
I go up on the road, man. So.
Go to what? Go to what?
Go on normal.
You can't normal. Go normal still.
Let's go up on the road, go on normal.
Alright then, go on normal then.
Okay.
Nothing wrong with me. We just want to know where day I go up on the road go do. Yeah, me love down yourself fire.
Calm down.
Me calm.
Relax.
Relax. Very relaxed.
Relax, man.
Come
Too
go.
hyperactive now.
Then me not feel hyperactive.
No, I know for me.
Alright, me hyperactive for you. I can go on the road. I hope I come back. Me wait for you.
Freeze!
Lovely! Where I shot there?
Yo, sorry, my G. Sorry, man. You never see you, know. Sorry, man. You get shot.
Me get shot.
You get no shot, man.
Eat that Rasta boy.
Where you represent there?
You know, say me dey a Charlie in one house and they might tell me say me need one search warrant. Not even know where boy turn, you know.
See one of me run down. Run down, man, bust some shot off of him, flick like a gymnastic. But me a hold him, man. I say a word, man.
Yo, Scotty, when I can't get one of special them, man.
Yeah, man. Where I say come in, man. Now play. Alright. Yo, Squally. I work hard, you know. And so I have to go get in one of the tracker them. High level tracker.
Yeah, it's special tracker. You know, say me have one in mind.
Oh.
You know, they tall youth, man.
Oh, yeah. Brown youth. Call him, man.
It takes long to be it.
Me take long.
Lock the door.
I mean, swear me not take long.
How the road look?
Oh, they empty. Nobody out there. Nobody at all.
Alright, or if I do that, I can maybe need to get the things up so we can move.
Alright.
You can get your money and things, you see?
Make sure you not look over here, you know.
You can pay for that too, man. We have enough magazine in my prison.
You can't pay for anything else, but you can't pay for that part.
I won't take long for ready to do because your time are going up. When I reach to the hills, I feel safe in the city. None at all, because down in Babylon City, them lock you up for nothing at all. So you believe the thing what them say about I?
No, sir.
From I start the music and I start the movie, it's like them want chop I. Your body no look too bad though. Alright now, so where you go here now? You know Red Young good?
Yeah, man.
Alright, so we go give direction. You must have a phone.
Yeah, man, I have one phone, man. Let me look. Remember, I put it on the seat here.
Alright now. Where you go though? When you go to night town, you go to when I buy a taxi with them. But tell them to carry go Groveland. Tell them to drop you off right at candy shop. You go over and talk to Candy and tell them, say, who send you? Bill Kelly. And don't call them name too loud because people are watching on the TV so people know say me up and run now. So you go enjoy, say when you look around before you mention my name because my name is very popular.
Alright.
Everybody look for me now. You understand? Some good wishers and some people who don't really like see, you know, certain things you know like see you them strive. Because though you have your celebrity, you have people they don't rate you. They go out there with you but they don't with you because sell me out. You know what I mean? How my story going on, my understanding, you know. After my bus in 2014, you know what I mean? Nobody knows where we start from 2001. And as money start make now, a lady sending data come to hang out with me now. Say she want me bust her data. Them the girl I say I rape her. You know what I mean? Because them say me forgive them a pussy piece of money. I say yo, me a bust your data. How you mean say me forgive so much money? You understand? So I just want generalship and the system is against me too because we all been burning Babylon from that time still. Even me sing the love song, them sing powerful song them. Me and Babylon never plan peace align because they don't love the people. You know what I mean? And I represent for the people. Some I sing them, when I sing about love, them like them. But when me born Babylon, Babylon don't like it. Alright, so. Your man now come back for now. Okay, if me come back, he can't come in here, you know. Because I lock the door, nobody come in here. So open the door and come back fast enough. That means say, I can left out of the place before I reach back.
Alright, so you want me to cut her now?
Yeah.
Alright. That's how we have to try. Alright.
When you go in the town, if you want to make extra money, you better put a condom. Here?
Alright then.
Alright, later.
Alright.
Lock the door. And carry key.
Alright.
Candy.
Come in. What go on? I serve you one? You want something in the shop?
No, man, I Bill Kelly send me.
What you say? A Bill Kelly send you?
Yeah, man.
I'm a virgin man. I something them send you for?
Yeah, man.
Alright, may I come? Hold on me. May I come?
Alright.
Yes, if you call me, you know, because we have some business to talk about here. Alright.
Where you come from?
Oh, in night town.
So you just go in night town and you tell me say you go in night town?
Mr. Weir, me didn't tell you say me I go in night town. Me didn't tell you say me I go in night town, you sure?
No? So you go in night town go do?
I just dig up to buy something, but I'm back up and one of my girlfriend them and I'm not bother buying nothing. Because I did talk to her and them something them. So she give me that bag you have to keep here.
So when I bag?
My girlfriend something them.
Mine your things on if you come in here, you know.
No, they can't nothing like that. Nobody like that coming here like that. Oh, God. Chuck, come and give a massage.
Take time with my shoulder, you know. Take time, man. Take time. Right this way, right this way, right this way. Right this way. Come now, man. Well, take so long. Go down, man. Go down, man. Yeah.
You feel about you you sound like right now?
Take time, man. Come. Right this way, right this way. Yeah.
You can't go buy some meat for cook.
Huh?
You can't go buy some meat for cook.
What kind of meat?
Chicken back anyone.
Chicken back too dear, man.
Just go buy.
$250 pound to just bone in a shop. Can't manage it.
Then buy mackerel then.
No, sir. Sufferation food. That.
Then go buy the chicken back and stop complaining. You're going like you can't buy chicken.
Just no bother drink off rum, because I love rum. So
Seriously, you would have come back and come see me turn over.
No, if you do it, no come and say turn over.
Where things in black coffee door? You see Candy?
Yeah, Mr. Aaron, I get the bag.
What one give you?
One phone and one panda bag.
Give them. She left her number and
Yeah, she said you must call her. Because she need to talk to you.
Yo, Candy. Yeah, man. Yeah, everything changed from the plan. So, what more you do? Get me a drive. Just get me a drive, right? We're there now. We're there Namprel. You know what I mean? Yeah, we're there Namprel now, so. Yeah, on the back road. Yeah, man, near to Shaka. Yeah, man, very near to Shaka. Yeah, man, we're right outside front side. Yeah, man. That's a back road, man. No, come up on the next side of the road, though. I not come on the front road there. There's a back road, I go through one yard, and people put on the back road. Yeah, so no come up on the garage, go on the next part, the next road, you know? So come up on the back road. So I can carry some people around there. Yeah. Today, yeah, just organize everybody.
Just go on Curious Attack. Curious Attack, there's some little insights on the
escape. The next video we have plan with in a workout. You know what I mean? Because I'm going to sell you out or something go down. But him no make it, so I tour we alone upon the road. I share the plan, but you know you go. So every plan I do first, that's way. Yeah, I guess the girl tell her that already. Alright then, so yo, do it right now, you know. Because I can't tell you, so someone left out of them flip place right now, and it's somebody come right now, so I'm not on time. I'm out tonight open. At least I get some change of clothes still, so that is good still. Alright. Yeah man, do that right now. And yo, yeah, wait there. Yeah, so the girl, what they are, let's get $1 million. Yeah, man. Let's make, yeah, that's carry $1 million come give her because she will do the work and things. You know what I mean? Alright? Alright, cut me a cut. Alright. You want to cut and then. Thanks to the thing and $1 million will come for you. See it?
Alright.
Your name by the condom.
No, my name.
Eh?
My name remember.
But anyway, they lock me behind bars for vagina. And a long time I don't see vagina. Right? So, could I get $500,000? You understand? Right now I don't get $500,000 fee for some height. Do it when I bathroom when a man there, so if a man come back and you know what I mean? So I have a life money I tell you, like $1 million I come for already. So I say, you do your test regular? So can you go do it then? How you want it $500,000, Panny?
No man, that would be no man. My name is Diana.
But you don't want it $500,000 then?
I can stay for now.
I'm gonna go dead poor.
Yo, Bill Kelly.
Yeah, what one?
You want to go now?
Yeah, me I say no, post my look for me, you know, but me not no pen for me. No, you must no pen for me.
Yo, you're a general, my boss.
No pen for me.
Alright, then get one pen on your boss. Then get one pen.
Yo, hear what? Anybody police is on the road, you don't see me. You hear me? You don't see me.
Yeah, my boss. Go on now, my boss. Go on now, man.
You don't see me. You don't see me.
Alright, my boss. Alright. Yes! Bill Kelly. Side the shoes.
Somebody come pick you up. Come now, man. Yo, come change your clothes. Alright. Clothes in there, so come change it. You want to suit the clothes in this year. But change fast because somebody come pick you up right now. Hurry up.
Alright then.
No, man. What we do?
So you don't know, so you have a mission Sarah deal with. Some boy get you found out of prison, you see? And can't catch him on them stars. So why you track them down for you, you see?
What do you mean, man? You don't know somebody that original tracker. What? You see him there, like, what you do?
What you mean, man? Me ever ready, you know, man. Me ever ready.
Let's help you out, man.
Alright, you told me no, you make me get me off all of a piece of place, you know, help me.
Yeah, that's some good man.
So, alright, give me the details what you need to know.
I just one brown boy and a ras, man.
I don't mean, man, we think I need worry for them, man. Come on, man.
Exactly.
You're dog myself, but I want to do.
Glory be to the Most High, give thanks to life. I would like to say big up all of the fans them and all the supporters, big up all the members them, big up Tats and Franco, big up Damien, You know, I mean, long time life and demon said speed. Big up yourself, you would. You know what I mean? Burn down to the ground. Big up Jules and big up Antoinette. Them are two producers them. You know what I mean? Big up Fico from Overall Settings. Big up Reggae Vibes. Big up Reggae Vibes, you know what I mean? Yeah, I have a movie where I'm a producer, Same Speed. Look out for the movie coming shortly. You know what I mean? So, big up all of the people that make it thing possible by sharing the content them and you know what I mean, keep the fire blazing. We put some work in it to ensure so you like it. So tell me your opinion, you know what I mean, and share it if you like it. And remember, please do subscribe, you know what I mean? Subscribe. Tell a friend and family, subscribe. We're going for 100K, you know what I mean? And when we win, because we are all one. You know what I mean? So you're part of the team. When I subscribe to them, part of the team. I'll not subscribe, you're part of the team, but subscribe. Just hit the subscribe button. You know what I mean? It's necessary. You know what I mean? Burn it down to the ground. Alright. Welcome to the channel. You know what I mean? Nice seeing you again. If you're not subscribed yet, subscribe now. Before you even start watching movie. Yeah man, subscribe right now. You know what I mean? Because we have 100K. Now with the 91. Not to see if we can go 100K. You can do it. Subscribe. Burn it down to the ground. Like, share. Yeah man, and subscribe. Again, subscribe. Burn it down.